this is Mary. Now we are in the workshop of Galvanized, and we can see this is our Galvanized machine, and we can see all of the worker is producing is very busy. And this man is our manager of Galvanized workshop. He is checking the quality now.
Hello, this is Demi. Here is our workshop. All the goods will be sent here and ready to delivery. We will inspection 3 times all the goods before shipment. Here is testing quality. Mr. Carr. Okay, he is testing the quality. Taste the lungs. Taste welder meter.
Hello friends, this is our workshop of redrawing wire. This is just produced today. Our daily output is 260 tons.
Hello friends, welcome to our factory. Here is our workshop of sound barriers. Follow me. Okay, this way please. Please look at our equipment. As you know, sound barrier is very popular in American market and European market.
Here is our SD institution integration and this workshop. Hello everyone, I'm Frank. This is our workshop of things. My workers are working